Here's a way to approximate a 9-sided figure using a compass and ruler. The angles won't be exactly 40 degrees, but because I'll be carving this into wood with a burning tool, battling the grain and inconstant rate of burning, my lines won't be perfect anyway. Visually, at a distance, it'll be a nonagon, or enneagram if you want to be grammatically correct. I found this method at Arthur Geometry, and there's a link in the description to his video, but he doesn't explain why this works. It just does. After reading a little bit, I can guess that this is based on methods of approximately trisecting an angle. If you're watching this and know exactly why this works, please write your comments below for the edification of all hungry minds. I will just describe what I'm doing, and since the lighting is bad, I have included a little illustration in the corner of the screen. So, I divide the circle into quarters with 2 perpendicular lines across the center. I measure the length of the radius, and then at the top point, where the vertical diameter meets the circumference, I scribe an arc across the circumference. From the other side of that diameter, the bottom, I measure the distance from that point to the other point that I just scribed. Then, I extend the line of the horizontal diameter beyond the circle and scribe an arc across that line. When I turn my compass around and scribe an arc from that point across the horizontal diameter, I will have created the length of one side of the nonagon. That's the segment right there. And from there, it's easy.